Laws of Boolean algebra. In Boolean algebra, we deals with the algebraic relation between logic or Boolean variables. A fundamental rule relating Boolean variables is called a Boolean theorem. Boolean theorem mainly used two purposes. First of all, for easily realizing, and second, to allow to simplification of logic circuits. So logical operation can be expressed and minimizing mathematically using the rules, laws and theorems of Boolean algebra. Next, the Boolean addition. There are different laws of Boolean theorems. First of all, the Boolean addition or OR law. The basic rules Boolean addition are given as 0 or 0 equal to 0, 0 or 1 equal to 1, 1 or 0 equal to 1, 1 or 1 equal to 1. It is the same as truth table of OR gate. So we can express this x or 0 equal to x. Here x is a variable, so whether 0 or 1. When x is equal to 0, that 0 or 0 equal to 0, or where x is equal to 1, so 1 or 0 equal to 1. This x depends on the value of 0 or 1. So we can say x or 0 equal to x. Next, x or 1 equal to 1. X same as 0 or 1, so 0 equal 0 or 1 equal to 1, 1 or 1 equal to 1. This satisfies the truth table. Same as x or x bar, where x is equal to 0, so x bar is equal to 1, so 0 or 1 equal to 1, or x is equal to 1, so x bar is equal to 0, so 1 or 0 equal to 1, same as. Next, the Boolean multiplication or AND law. The same multiplication method, Boolean multiplication method, same as truth table of AND gate. 0, 1 or 0 equal to 0, 1 dot 1 equal to 1, same as truth table of AND gate. So we can express x dot 0 equal to 0, where same as x is equal to 0 over 1, putting the value of 0, so 0 dot 0 equal to 0, putting the value of 1, 1 dot 0 equal to 1, same as x dot 1 equal to x, same as x is equal to 0 or 1, x dot x bar equal to 0, where x is equal to 0 or 1, x is equal to 0, so x bar is equal to 1, 0 dot 1 equal to 0, or x is equal to 1, x is bar equal to 0, so 1 dot 0 equal to 0. This satisfies the AND truth table, AND gate truth table. Next, complementation law or invert law. Complementation law is prove the NOT gate truth table. Complemented, so zeros complemented 1 or 1's complemented 0. A dot A bar equal to 0. So we can say a variable of AND gate with its complement is always equal to 0, or A or A bar equal to 1. A variable OR with its complement is always equal to 1. This is a complementation law or invert law. Next, commutative law. Commutative law is change the position of logical variable in ORing or adding, that is A dot B equal to B dot A. The same, just change position, A dot B equal to B dot A. Same as A or B equal to B or A. A, B, this it is verified the truth table, putting the truth table A, B is a variable. So two variable for combination 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. A dot B equal to 0, B dot A equal to 0, A B, A or B or B or A. Same. Putting the variable 0, 0, same 0, 0. here you can see, then A or B or B or A is the same output, or A dot B or B dot A is the same. Next, associative law. Associative law, this law allows to removal of brackets from the expression and regrouping of the variables. So A dot B dot C equal to A dot B dot C, the bracket of A dot B. A dot bracket of B dot C is equal to bracket A dot B dot C. Just same A or bracket of B or C equal to bracket of A or B or C. The same is prove this truth table has 3 variable A, B, C. So combination 2 to the power 3 equal to 8, 0 to 7, 0, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1, and B dot C. Here you can say B dot C, A dot B, and last of all A dot bracket of B dot C and B dot bracket of A dot B dot C is the same output. So you can say this law and associative law and or associative law are same. Next, absorption law. Absorption law is enable to reduction in complicated expression to similar one by absorbing like terms. Two law, or absorption law and absorption law. Or absorption law, A or A dot B, very common. A, this bracket of 1 or B, we can know the 1 or B equal to 1 for OR law. So putting A dot 1 equal to A, the OR absorption law, and AND absorption law, A or B, same as the mathematical multiplication A dot A or A dot B. A dot A equal to A dot B, and the common of A, so bracket of 1 or B, same as OR absorption law, we can say this is equal to A. Next, distributive law. Distributive law, this law permits and multiplying or factoring out of an expression. This is 3 laws: or distributive law, and distributive law. Or distributive law, A bracket of B or C, the same as multiplication, the mathematical multiplication, A dot B or A dot C. Next, the AND distributive law, A or B dot C equal to A or B within bracket, and within bracket multiplying of A or C. So left hand side, A or B dot C, consider 1. So we can write A dot 1, 1, putting the value of 1 or B and multiplying this, and next A or multiplying 1 or C, and we know 1 or C is equal to 1, 1 or B equal to 1, and just multiplication of the same as mathematical. Next, A dot A equal to A, so we can write A dot 1 equal to A dot A, and then A, this common of A or B, C, or B common of A or C, and you can write A or B within bracket and multiplying of A or C. Next, third distributive law, A or A dot B equal to A or B. Prove this. Right hand side, A or B, we can write A or B dot 1, same as the A or B, and the position of 1 we putting the A or A bar, and same as the multiplication of this, and putting A or A dot A equal to A and A dot A bar equal to 0, and then common A equal to within the bracket of 1 or B, we know 1 or B equal to 1, so we can write A or A bar B. The left hand side of the third law of distributive. Next, De Morgan's theorem. There are two De Morgan's theorem. First হচ্ছে the complement of sum of digital signal is equal to the product of its complements. Where the two variable, suppose A and B, we can write this A or B whole bar equal to A bar dot B bar. And second De Morgan's law, the complement of a product of digital signal is equal to the sum of its complement. Same as two variable A and B, A dot B whole bar equal to A bar or B bar. This is summaries of Boolean laws of Boolean algebras. A or 0 equal to A or 1 equal to 1, OR law, we get OR law. A dot 0 equal to 0, A dot 1 equal to A, we get AND law. A or A equal to A for OR law, A or A bar equal to 1 for OR law. A dot A equal to A dot A bar equal to 0 for AND law. Next, A double bar equal to A. Next, A or A dot B equal to A or A bar B equal to A or B, and within bracket A or B multiplying of A or C equal to A or BC. And De Morgan's theorem, A dot B whole bar equal to A bar or B bar, and A or B tar whole bar equal to A bar dot B bar. Thank you.